Next method is machine hour method. Now we have come to the methods where depreciation is computed based on the use of the asset. Under the machine hour method, machine hour rate is cost of asset minus residual value, which is nothing but the depreciable amount, divided by the effective machine hours. If we expect the machine to run for 1 lakh hours, that would be the machine hours. So in this case, the life of the machine is determined in machine hours, not in the number of years. So depreciation per annum will depend, once we have computed the machine hour rate, which is the depreciable amount divided by the effective machine hours, telling us what is the rate of depreciation per machine hour. The depreciation for a year will depend on the number of hours worked. The number of machine hours worked into the machine hour rate as computed above will give us the depreciation per annum. Let us consider an exercise for machine hour method. A machinery having a life of 20,000 machine hours and a scrap value of 10,000 was purchased for 10,10,000. The machine was operated for 2,000 hours in year 1 and for 3,000 hours in year 2. What should be the amount of depreciation in year 1 and year 2? So what we first need to do is to find out what is the machine hour rate of depreciation. That means what is the depreciation amount per machine hour. How do we find that? We find that by taking the depreciable amount divided by the number of machine hours. Depreciable amount in this case is 10,10,000 cost minus scrap value of 10,000, giving us 10 lakh, divided by the number of machine hours we expect it to work, which is 20,000. Therefore, the machine hour rate is rupees 50 per machine hour. The working has been shown as below. What is the machine hour rate? The machine hour rate, cost of asset minus residual value, divided by effective machine hours. Therefore, 10,10,000 minus 10,000 by 20, giving us 50 per machine hour. So, for year 1, if we have operated for 2,000 hours, it is 2,000 into 50, rupees 1 lakh. And for year 2, we have operated for 3,000 hours, it is 3,000 into 50, rupees 3 lakh. Therefore, under the machine hour method, the depreciation varies depending on the usage of the machine. More the machine is utilized, greater is the amount of depreciation.